Okay, so I'm gonna make some delicious focaccia bread. I put fresh oregano in the dough and then topped it with some cooked onions that I've cooled in some butter. And I'm gonna top it with a nice Gruyere cheese. This is the cheese, cave aged 11 months. It's imported from Switzerland and from grass-fed cows. Mashaallah, we're gonna shave it obviously on top. So this is what it looks like close up. Has the rind on the top and the bottom. I cut off some on the corner. Full bodied, nice kind of sharp finish, not overbearing. Saltiness isn't too overpowering. It's quite nice. Let's see how it does on the bread. Okay, looks good. Cheese is on there, and we're gonna cover this Dutch oven style and put it into the oven. Yes. Alright, turned out really well. I didn't put parchment paper on the bottom, so when I cut it, it's kind of stuck to the bottom a little bit, and I didn't grease it. But either way, the texture came out nice and soft. Nice and soft. So I wanted to show you the creaminess of the onion and the cheese melted right there. Really looks quite well, and the top obviously looks good. Mashaallah, tabarakallah. Will go perfect with some warm butter and soup. The shininess of the cheese and the onions is pretty cool, like caramelized in a way.